Installation Day. Soft morning light reached the song of the early bird, announcing with anticipation, expectation, and much interest I have heard. Artists are arriving, all abuzz to go. Secrets say it's clever, novel, curious, exhibits all to show. It's Installation Day, a day of endeavour, of expression, of creation brought together. Close by, a clatter of cups, a hum of conversations. Makers share the nature of their unique inspirations. Friendship, joy, connection, all bring the showing, much with great elation. Living garden canvas waits, ready for display. Where will my work go? A branch? A pond? A tree? So long as it is placed near, so that all who come can see. No, adjusting, considering, patience, to let the vision show. Tell neighbours, tell friends, the garden blooms with wonder and much magic to uncover. A time of celebration, reflection at its core. Come one, come all, there's always so much more.